Got a 2008 Corvette. Just a little over 20,000 miles. Still got the original tires on it. Car's in great shape, clean, as you can see, ready for a new owner. This is my friend's car. It's not my car. I'm just doing this little video for him. $20,158 miles. Yes, it's got cold AC, nav, everything works. Check out under the hood. And check out the hatch. Also, real quick look at the interior here. You can tell everything's clean, nice, ready to go. There's the, these were bad about coming loose as I get some age on them. As you can tell, it's all still tight. This little boot right here, as well as the shifter boot. No wear on the buttons or anything. The car comes with both tops. As you can tell, you got the glass top or see-through top here, and the painted top is on the car. Got the shade. Now let's check it out here under the hood. And it's purring like a kitten. There you have it. Just call or text the number in the ad, or feel free to comment below if you want. But this again, car belongs to a friend of mine, and I'm just doing this video for him. The price is $27,888, and just like I said, contact him at the number in the ad below. Thank you.